Today we are going to cover skincare for beginners with normal skin. Cleanse, treat, nourish and protect. That's the basic framework of skincare that we follow in the daytime. Let's start with cleansing. When you're having a bath, use a gentle pH balanced body wash. The ingredients that suit normal skin and make a difference are about niacinamide and glycerin. After cleanse, you move on to treat. Only use this step if your skin has a problem like acne or pigmentation. Completely skip it if you don't have any skin problems. If you have acne, you will use a salicylic acid. If you have pigmentation, use vitamin C in the daytime routine. After treatment, you go on to nourish. Nourish is nothing but moisturization, and you use this step normal skin only if you have used the treat step. Otherwise, skip this too. In nourish, use a moisturizer that has ceramides, that has niacinamide. After your nourish step, you come on to the most important step, which is protect. Use a sunscreen, which is broad spectrum protection. That means SPF 30 and a PA 4+ rating. That completes your daytime routine. Now let's move on to nighttime. In the nighttime, what you are doing is basically cleanse, treat and nourish. The protect doesn't need to be here. In your cleanse step, use a gentle pH balanced cleanser, and if you've used makeup, please do double cleansing with micellar water before your cleanser. After this step, the treat step, again only if you have a problem. You will change around the actives. For an acne, you will use an azelaic acid and a retinol in liposomal form, and for pigmentation, you will use a kojic acid if you're above 18 or an alpha-arbutin if you're below 18. After this step, use a nourish step. This you have to do whether or not you have used the treat step. Use a ceramides based moisturizer at night as your last step of your skincare routine. This will ensure that your skin stays hydrated and moisturized and also stays plump and supple. Exfoliate your skin at least once a week with a clay mask that has AHAs in it so that you get a boost for your skin as well as keep the dullness out. So that's the skincare routine for normal skin for beginners. If you liked it, share it.